Honda Civic lower control arm unboxing and display. Front lower control arm shown. Removing and installing the Honda Civic front lower control arm. Tools used for this job: a large electric impact wrench, a large 14mm short socket, a large universal joint, a large 17mm deep socket, a large short extension bar, a large torque wrench. Using a 17mm socket to remove the right front wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use the 17mm socket again to remove the wheel lug nuts. Take off the wheel. Use a 14mm socket to remove the nut securing the sway bar end link. Remove the end link. Use a 17mm socket to remove the connection between the lower control arm and the ball joint nut. Use a 17mm socket to remove the lower control arm mounting bolt. Use a 14mm socket together with a universal joint to remove the other mounting bolt on the lower control arm. Remove the bolt. Remove the lower control arm. Install the new lower control arms. Set the new control arm in place. Start by positioning the sway bar link, then line everything up and push downward. Insert the lower control arm mounting bolt. Use a 14mm socket to secure the mounting bolt. Torque to 65 Newton meters, 44.25 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. Use a 17mm socket to install the other lower control arm mounting bolt. Torque to 100 Newton meters, 73.76 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. Use the 17mm socket to tighten that lower control arm mounting bolt. Install the nut. Use a 17mm socket to secure the bolt connecting the lower control arm spindle into the arm. The other bolt is secured with a 15mm socket. Torque to 100 Newton meters, 73.76 foot-pounds. Use the 17mm and 15mm sockets to tighten the lower control arm ball joint nuts. Install the sway bar link. Install the nut that secures the sway bar link. Use a 14mm socket with a power wrench to tighten the nut on the sway bar link. Use a 14mm short socket with a torque wrench to tighten the nut on the sway bar link. Tightening torque, 70 Newton meters, 52 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel. Use the 17mm socket to tighten the wheel lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Torque the wheel lug nuts to 130 Newton meters, 95.85 foot-pounds with a 17mm socket.